Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Acorns account, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Acorns account, start by downloading the Acorns app from the App Store. Open the app once the download is complete. Tap on the Get Started button to begin the account setup process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you have access to. Create a strong password to secure your account. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered your email and password, tap on the Next button. You will be asked to provide some personal information. Fill in your first name and last name in the appropriate fields. Next, enter your date of birth to verify your eligibility. After that, provide your home address and phone number. Make sure all the information is accurate and up to date. Tap Next to continue to the next step. You will need to fill out questions related to your employment status and investment goals. Answer each question truthfully to help Acorns tailor recommendations for you. Once completed, review your responses and click Next. Next, you'll need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Acorns. Click on the verification link provided in the email. After verifying your email, return to the Acorns app. Now, log in using your email and password. You may need to verify your identity further by providing your social security number. Fill in the required information and tap Next. You will then need to link your bank account to start investing. Select your bank from the list or enter your bank information manually. Follow the prompts to complete the bank account linking process. Once linked, you'll receive confirmation that your account is active. Your Acorns account is now ready for use. You can start exploring investment options and features directly within the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.